Hello, welcome to What's on the Whiteboard. I'm Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about creating themes for our appeals. How do you set the tone and make sure that your message is being conveyed through all of the different ways that you get to work with your appeals? And so to start off with, there are a few different ways that we break down our appeals. So we have the artwork or the assets, or creative, people call it as well. You have the copy, and you have the delivery method. There are actually many other ways you could adjust the theme, and that's with timing, if there's some sort of certain timing that works well or is important in the appeal. But really there are three ways that you really influence your theme, and you want that theme to permeate through all of these three things. So your artwork and creative, what is the feeling you want to convey with your message and with your appeal? What are you trying to drive home to, and who is your audience? The copy and the artwork really need to tie very closely together. When seeing the artwork and reading the copy, the reader should feel as though it's one cohesive thing, and that they speak to each other. You know, throwing copy on a generic letterhead works in some cases, but also, is there a way that you tie something into the artwork or even to the exterior of the envelope to communicate your theme even greater? With a greater efficiency and effectiveness, I should say. And then also, what's the delivery method? You know, what is the channel that you're using, or what are the channels that you're using for it? Those are the three ways that your theme is conveyed. So, artwork and creative. So this is on a letter. It's the artwork that's on the piece of letterhead. It's also, how does that return or reply device look? How does the donor feel when they're completing that? What is the feeling they get? Do they feel as if it's super transactional? Do you have a lot of words of gratitude on it? For the copy, and we'll talk more about copy later on in another video, but in the copy, what is it about the artwork that is tying it together? Or if you're using a standard letterhead, what is it about the mission of your organization or about the important things that you're doing right now that you can convey through your copy? And then with the delivery method, what are different ways that you can either time it or reference or kind of stack on top of each other your delivery methods, so that the theme isn't just something that they see one time or feel one time, but it's something that they see throughout all of your channels. I hope this has been informative and enlightening. I look forward to hearing more about how your own appeals are going. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again at the next What's on the Whiteboard. Bye.